Hello there, Steve at MTA here again. I've got a couple of bits and pieces to do in the garage. I've had a bit of a clear out, reorganised a few things, moved a few things around, chucked some stuff away. So I've got a couple of bits and pieces to do in here today. So I thought I'd show you a bit of an update, see what's going on. Got a cup of tea on the go, so let's get cracking. Right, as you can see, it's still daylight outside. It's about 5 o'clock. It's beginning of March, so it's only going to get lighter from here. So as you can see, good amount of light coming in through the window there. I've cleared the workbench off a bit. We've got some models on there at the moment. There's an old helicopter I need to find a home for. A truck I'm working on, a couple of other bits and pieces. There's a black shelf unit there. I've got all the parts there. The screws are over there, the actual shelves there. There's the ever-present massive round table, which I'm going to have to find a home for. And I've had a bit of a clear out, as you can see. We can actually see the floor for a change. There's still a couple of lawn mowers here. They are going to go down in that corner at the back there. And the plan with the table is I'm going to put this shelf unit together and put it roughly there where that yellow lawnmower is at the minute, and then stand the table up basically behind it, roughly where the jet wash is at the minute. So that's the plan. Let's get going. I started by moving the lawnmowers down to the end of the garage by the main door. That created some space for me to work in. I'm just assembling the frame of the shelf unit here. This used to be my bookcase when I was a lot younger, and then it got moved to the spare room, and then it went into the workshop downstairs, and then eventually it got dismantled and put out into the garage. I knew all the parts were out here somewhere for it. It just took me a little while to find them all, but it's a nice substantial unit. It's all made out of steel, held together with big bolts, so it's pretty strong, and the shelves just snap onto the horizontal bars that I'm fitting at the moment. And there are 5 shelves in total, as you can see, and it's nice and strong. Right, well that's that sorted. I bet you never thought you'd end up watching a video of a grey-haired bloke putting some shelves together this evening, did you? Anyway, right, I was going to give them a quick dust off because there's loads of cobwebs and rubbish all over them. These shelves are quite sturdy. I've no idea what weight they're actually rated to carry. The only thing is they're a little bit wobbly in that direction, but I can always attach them to the wall over there or something like that. So they are going to live there. Well, certainly for the moment they are. Might have to move things around a bit as we go, but that's the plan. And now Mr. Table can move as well. And this thing, I only use it during the summer, so for the moment it can live there. And I say, this thing in this direction, no problem at all, nice and solid. And now that it's up against the wall, can't really move that way either. So yes, now we've got some shelves, we can start putting some more stuff on them. Yes, it's time to replace crap on shelves with more crap on shelves. You couldn't make this up, could you? Anyway, so until I have a chance to work on it, this Arox is going on there, along with the bits and bobs that came with it. So radio, instructions, there's some spare bits there for it. Dust and crap all over me now, but never mind. I've got to show you this, hang on. I'll just move this box out of the way. I can't remember what's in it, but yeah, I just found a hairy caterpillar. So I'm going to rehome him in the garden. Right, so this box I just mentioned, that's just got some spare parts in for my resin printer. That can go up there. Got my radio box here. Go down there. So we're getting a bit more organised already. Oh, damn it! Nearly squashed the caterpillar then. Right, so that's some bits and pieces sorted out. Just going to have a bit of a sweep up, and I think we'll call it an evening. I'm going to go and get some dinner. Right, so I just finished tidying up. I've given the bench a bit of a sweep off, I've moved the little drawer unit that was on it and the grinder. They'll probably go into the workshop indoors. It's seen some use, this workbench, over the years. It's covered in stains and all sorts of bits and pieces, and it had the world's biggest bloody spider living down there somewhere, which is going to be fun because I fucking hate spiders, especially massive hairy ones. I mean, this thing was bigger and hairy than me, for Christ's sakes. So we've got that to look forward to. But in the meantime, we have usable workbench, we have some floor, and we have some shelves. Still got loads of crap over there to go through, but that's a job for another day, because most of this at the bottom is at least semi-organised. I need to go through all the stuff at the top and that corner of vetted despair down there. I don't know what is in half those boxes. Chainsaw, that could be fun. I've used that a few times and that's kind of scary, I think, but there we go. The other thing I do want to do at some stage is that top shelf there is empty for a reason. That reason being the beast. My Homebelt 110RB cable shovel will hopefully live up there, but I want to make sure that I'm not going to have to move these shelves, because that damn thing weighs about 25 kilos and getting it up there is going to be a bit fun. I mean, at least these shelves are fairly, you know, they're a bit wobbly that way, but they're fine this way. So unless somebody really wallops them, they ain't going to fall off or anything like that. So yes, progress has been made, and bonus thing, I've still got some tea left. I've been out here best part of an hour doing this, so it's nothing major, but it's getting there, and it is all progress. So I got quite a lot done today. We've got the workbench all cleared and ready to use. We've got all the lawnmowers down the other end of the garage out of the way. I've got all the shelves put together, got some stuff on them. So we're pretty much ready to go. So if you want to watch another video up here or down here, and if you want to subscribe, please click here, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.